Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the special Butterbear photo spot in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia is currently having a collaborations event with the Butterbear, and one of the coolest things you can do is visit these adorable Butterbear themed photo locations with your friends. And finding it's super easy. First just open your map and then just tap on this exclamation mark icon, this one, and then next just tap on track, and then after that just simply follow the guide to this spot. Just follow the guide like this, like this. And the locations is actually pretty close to the central square. It's easy to find. And then once you arrive, you will find a cute Butterbear themed photo area filled with fun decorations and picture perfect spots like this. You can see it, it's so cute. You can just hang out with your friends on here or just creating memorable photos. You can also take a photos on here, and then you can even change the photo background to get different looks for your picture like this. You can see it. You can change the background, it's so cute. And okay, that's it. So if you are looking for a new place to take cute photos in Heartopia, make sure to visit this special Butterbear photo spot before the event ends. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.